Right, I got good news and bad news. The good news is, yeah, this transistor is fucked. As you can see, it doesn't recognize it. Let me swap the transistors for that one that I've removed. And this is the transistor that I've removed from the top. As you can see, it's good. So this one I'll throw away. Yeah, and I'll keep this one for you. The bad news is transistors have been changed and the bloody power supply is still on 26.2. So you must have banned something else on that board. My guess is the bloody potentiometer failed. That you can adjust the voltage, but I only know if I remove it and test it. So I'm going to take the board out and check. Okay, right, Martin, there was a few problems with this power supply. Right, see this pot? It's in an angle because I had to shorten. The track was broken for some reason, so I had to shorten. You can see, let me get something. You can see the leg here. I had to extend it to connect it to the track. It wasn't connected to the track. And you can see this red cable, which carries 17 or 16 volts to feed the board. It was broken, the track. You can see here I've rebuilt the track with a bit of solder. She's stable on 13.8 now. The cable that provides the voltage to the board wasn't making proper contact, so it wasn't regulated. Plus the potentiometer was loose, main faults. Now you got the two transistors working. Okay, so I've regulated to 13.8. It shouldn't change. I've left the ones that they were in there. I left them out. I've placed the old transistors, which to me I think they're better quality. If in the old days parts they were manufactured with better specs. So I advise you to leave the thing as it is. I think I found the fault by coincidence. I was just having a look at the board and I've seen a few things wrong, but it's working now. Okay, two nice transistors, as you can see, very stable 13.8. You can regulate how much you want by this potentiometer. You can take it up to 26 volts. That's why the fault it was on this potentiometer plus the power feeding to the regulator board. But you can drop it off. To be honest, let me just see. 13.2, 12.9 to 26. Let me just adjust the volts to 13.8. 6, 8. Okay, 13.8. I'll just leave it as it is. You can come and pick it up. Fuck, this one was a bit of work. Right, it's working, okay?